The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a great motorcycle, and it's really fun and great to take out for a day trip. Meeting friends, running some errands, you're on it 4, 5, maybe even 6 hours during the day, but it's not a great bike if you want to take it overnight. And that's exactly what Chad and I did last month when we took it to Daytona Bike Week 2023. And what we realized is there's not a lot of places to put overnight luggage, or anything for that matter. So what we're going to do in this video is actually look at installing a rear luggage rack. And Kemimoto was nice enough to send us a rear luggage rack. And we're going to go ahead and install that and test it out and see if that might make an overnight trip a little bit more fun. There's little to this. It comes with the obvious luggage rack, the necessary tools and hardware, and the piece that connects everything, the luggage rack holder.
Doesn't look too difficult.
Pretty easy.
It's going to say it's well packaged, you know, nice bubble wrap, everything's well protected. Kemimoto does send us on tool here, which is fine. I prefer something to ratchet, so we're gonna use my own. All the hardware's in here, and they do provide you with everything you need. The Kemimoto piece goes right on top, so you do not have to take the side pieces off here. They're gonna use a factory bolt that you took off of here by the antenna for your key fob and stuff. But the bolts that supply here are going to drop through this, through here, and then they got nylon lock nuts for the bottom. Just so you know where you're going on this. Lightly tighten the Harley one in first, then we'll do the other ones. Harley's is a T30. The security bits are T25. Tighten the Harley one down just a little bit. All right, this is the piece that goes on top. It's got 4 screws that are going to thread into here. They already got the nuts placed on the back of them, welded in. It would not be a bad idea to use a little bit of Loctite on these to make sure these don't come loose when you're going down the road. Threads are clean, threaded in real nice and easy, but Loctite might be necessary on a rough ride. Probably take it on and off in 15 minutes. Easy install. We're gonna strap some stuff on and see how well it holds.
Okay, we just got done installing the Kemimoto luggage rack, and it has been super easy. We're really happy with the design and the quality of the materials. So now the real test, let's put a bag on here and see how easy it is to travel with some luggage now.
Squishing the clothes down nice and flat. They gave us plenty of holes and stuff to hook this into, so there's only about 10 pounds worth of stuff on there right now, but it's really secure. I don't think we'd have much difficulty putting more weight on there.
You want to jump on there and see how that feels on your back?
It's not even touching me. I am honestly more impressed than I thought I'd be.
For a luggage rack, Not a lot of high
For a luggage
expectation.
rack on a sports bike, basically, yes. It's great.
There's no denying its practicality, but also being flat black and having its aggressive look, it matches well with the fast lines of the Sportster S. The luggage rack is lightweight and sturdy, made from premium aluminum. And with its easy installation, it doesn't matter whether it's on all the time. All you need is less than 15 minutes, and it's journey time. Thank you everybody for joining us for this installation video, the whole Harley-Davidson Sportster S modification series. It's been a blast to put together. Also, Kemimoto for sending us this luggage rack and this rear tidy kit right here, which comes with this tag holder and the LED light. We really appreciate it. And if you're really interested in their product, go down to the description. There is, for a limited time, a 10% discount on these two items. If you're interested, click on that and it'll take you right there. Other than that, please make sure to add to the comments, subscribe, and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.